Hello guys, welcome to Feast Biz Talk. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start and manage your business. And today we're going to be talking about things you need to know or do before starting any business. And whether you're starting an online business, whether you're starting a bitumba business, whether you're starting a kinyozi business, there's some things that you need to know or be well versed in order to be successful. So what are these things? Today we'll be discussing about the things you need to do or things you need to know when you're starting a business. So one of the things you need to know is to understand the market. And what do we mean when we say understand the market? When we're talking about the market, we're talking about the people you're going to be selling your product to, or the people you're going to be selling your service to. So you really need to understand, what do they prefer, what do they like, what are some of the things they don't like. And once you understand the market, you will find that you will be able to create products that align with what your customers need, and you find that you will not be making a lot of losses, unlike starting a business with no idea of the customers or your expected customers or the market that you want to sell to. Then another thing that you need to do is build relationship. And what do we mean when we say build relationships? You need to have a good relationship with your customer. And when you're talking about relationship, how do you create this good relationship? We had done a video on how to create good relationship with your customer. So if you want to know more on how to create a good rapport with your customer, watch on that video. But we said on that video that one of the ways to create a good relationship is how you deliver your products, how you deliver your services, how do you really attend to your customers. And then number 3, you need to focus on quality, not quantity, because many people, they are always eager to produce a large amount of products, or maybe they want to do many services at a go, and then they forget about the quality. So you find that your customer will not be satisfied because you're just selling, you're offering bad services so that you can just do that service at a limited time, or maybe you're selling bad products because you want to service as many customers as possible. But it is good to always focus on quality. And once you deliver products that are of good quality or services that are of good quality, you find that you are able to retain your customers. And then number 4 is learn on current technology. And many people are ignoring technology, especially with the advance of ChatGPT, after it evolved. You find that many people are using it even in marketing, doing research, and many people have not embraced it. So you find that technology is changing every day. Every time we find that there are new trends in technology. So you need to be well versed. If you want your business to be successful, just be well versed in terms of technology. And then another thing, then number 5, is learn about regulations. And when we're talking about regulations, we're talking about the laws. Before you start any business, please make sure you understand the law. Make sure that you understand what as your business is supposed to do, or which type of licenses which types of licenses you're supposed to have, so that you don't find yourself that today you have opened your business and then the officers, they come and you don't have the necessary licenses, and then you find you have to shut down your business, and yet you had invested a lot of money. So it is good to be well versed in terms of law and the regulations concerning your business. So when it comes to law, you should really be well versed so that you don't find yourself in the wrong side of the law. So yes, those are the 5 things you need to know or you need to do before starting any business. So if you want to start any business, you can consider these tips, and they will be very helpful in order to make sure that your business is very successful. So I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, make sure that you do leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be sure to read it out. Make sure at the end of this video you like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. And if you're interested in learning about business management, you can enroll at Finstock University College. This is an online college that offers short courses, diplomas, certificate, degrees at a very affordable rate. Visit their website at www.finstockuniversity.com or call them at 0703 313 722 or send them an email at info@finstockuniversity.com. Until next time, goodbye.